Okay, I'm going to try this again. Sorry guys, it's been a really long time since I've done a live video. If it cuts out again, sorry. I don't know why it's saying I don't have good signal, but whatever. There's my 4-year-old already. I'm going to be restoring this belly cast that we did when I was pregnant with this guy. We made just one of those out-of-the-box casting kits, and I'm not happy with the way that it came out totally. It was fine for what it was, for what I needed it for, but now I want to paint it and put it on the wall and stuff, so I want to make sure that it's really sturdy. And I've noticed that it's really flimsy here, and there's some pitting and some holes that are starting in this area. It's going to start to break through, and it's not sturdy enough for me to store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take burlap and this mixture of Ultra Cal, it's this Ultra Cal 30, and I mix some up with water, and that's to like a pancake batter consistency. And I've got 3 different sizes of my burlap that I'm going to put in there, and I'm going to layer the back. Sorry, bud.
Oh, I just need to get
So I put it on this bubble pad to keep it safe. Watch out, little boy. Go on. And I'm going to layer the back first so that the front part doesn't sink in. Caden, Mommy's talking. Please go play. Are you going to teach the class?
6.
Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to layer this back part with the burlap and the cement and let that dry so that it holds the shape in the back for me. And then I'll come back, and on the front part, because I don't want it to be super, super heavy because I want to hang it on the wall, I'm going to take this art plaster, which is a really thin casting plaster, which is similar to the stuff that was used originally. So once the back is hardened and that's going to hold the structure, then I'll go back to the front and I'll smooth this out because I don't like how it pitted here, because my stomach does not look like that. Belly button there, and then just smooth out these edges that left the fibers and all of that and make this look pretty. I'm going to carve this down and make it just a better structure. And then once that's completely dry and I can sand it, Caden, stop. Then I'll come back and I'll paint it and make it look really nice and add the hook and stuff like that. So it's been sitting in the closet for 5 years almost. It's about time to fix it and make it look nice. So yeah, so I'll come back after I've done the back part and show you what I did.